Here we are again, another Thinking Tools video. It's March morning here in Melbourne, and what have I got for you today? Well, it's Dominoes. Yep, you've probably seen these before in some variety. Let's just clear them out here. Look, they're really nice things. I like to feel them. But probably what you'll be asking me is, what can you actually do with them? Well, I'll just say like a couple of things maybe, and that way we'll just sort of like go from there. We could just do a game where you've got a few players and each of them has a selection, 6, 7, 8 for me and 8 for somebody else over there. You probably can't see that, but that's okay. I'll just show you what I do. We start with one here in the middle of the table. My job, each person's job, is to look at what's here. And we've got a 3, and we've got, what have we got here? We've got a 7. And in this game, this is the adding up to 9 game. So it's really good for kids sort of like in the early years of primary school, just to get them sort of like thinking a bit faster. I've got to try and find a piece that's going to add up to 9. 7 plus what gives you 9? 2. Here we go. I've got a 2. So I can put a 2 on the end of that. So there we go. I'll put a 2 on the end. And the next player, they're going to be looking, they're going to say, right, I've got a 3 here, I need a 6, I've got a 5 here, I need a 4, and they're going to look through what they've got, and they're going to find, here we go, they've got this. So player number 2's got a 4, so they can put this on the end here, they can put it like this on the end, or they can put it like this. And this, I suppose, really is how the game is going to go until you can get rid of all your dominoes. Everyone's going to go around and try it like that, or everyone's got rid of all their dominoes, or nobody can actually move. So theoretically, the idea would be to sort of like, you know, use all the dominoes and share it all out between people. But if you only have 2 players, maybe you don't want to have all the dominoes being divided up. If you've got 4 players, then you can probably divide them all up. And so it's going to go on. Here's 9, so I need a 0. Luckily, I do have a 0, and so on. It's going to go like that. Okay. So there's the 0 on the end there. Other players got, oh look, they've got a 9 as well. They've got to find a 0, but look, they do have 1. And it's going to reach the point where someone isn't actually going to have the piece that's required. Here's a 2. I need a 7. Do I have a 7? I've got an 8 here. After a while, they get used to actually checking out the numbers. Can you notice fast? Look, it's a 0 on both ends there. So I need 7. Do I have it? Yeah, I do. I've got a 7 here. So I can do a 7. Yep. And the next person is going to need 2, and this is the way it's going to move until somebody actually can't have them move at all. I can't see a 2 over here, the other person's pile. I'm looking around, you can't see that unfortunately. Have they got a 6? Yes, they do have a 6. So there, they've got a 6, and so on, so on, so on. You wouldn't necessarily show your opponents your pieces normally in a game, but yep, that's how it goes. Now, I'm going to need a 6 here, or I'm going to need 2 here. Do I have those pieces? Well, straight away I can see I've got no 2s here. Either end will do. I have a 6. I've got a 5. Nope, I can't move. I've got 5s here. I've got 9s here. I've got, well, that's an 8, and so on. But I actually don't have that. So the other player can actually have the next move, and that'll actually help them. And so they're either going to need to have their 6, or they do have a 6 actually, it turns out. Look, 6 there in the green. Or they're going to need to have a 4. And the 6 will have to be the one to go because they haven't got a 4. And so they've got their move, but where are we? Oh, look what they've done though. Smart move. Oh, it's the wrong end actually, on the end. Now both ends are actually requiring 4. Now the problem they're going to have, of course, is that no one's got the 4. So if there's no other players, then the game has to stop there, and the winner is going to be, well, I've got 5 pieces left. They should have 4 because they've used one more of them, and so they're going to be the winner. One with the least, like golf, one with the least dominoes left. Okay, otherwise, if it keeps on going, then the winner is the one who gets rid of all the dominoes, and they go 0. Okay, so Thinking Tools, well, that's the name of the business, and the website is www.thinkingtools.com.au. Check us out there. Okay, well, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.